playground. I'm about to walk in here. Ready, big guy?
Look, we went here last year.
Whoa, that's cute. Alright guys, we're going in. Wow, entrance. We are in. Wow, this place has changed since the last time we were here. No, actually, no, it's the same, I think. We put our shoes. Put your shoes. This is where we put our shoes. Wow. Alright. Taking off my shoes too. Okay. Picking up this one right here.
Take your jackets off because you're going to get hot. I know it.
Alright, jackets are off. Right there. Alright. Oh, the drinks. Whoa, that's awesome. I like the ground here. Look at that, look colorful. Got a black background. Whoa, look at that. Look at the slides over here. Whoa, makes me want to go up there. Is this soft? I'm not gonna put it out. Max height.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Whoa. There you go. Whoa. Awesome, dudes. All right. Only $5 per child. And it includes one adult for free. There you go. Here's some playground rules. Not bad. Whoa, you came up from this side, guys. I didn't know there was another set of slides here. Oh, time is now over for the yellow restaurant. Thank God we're orange. Whoa. Whoa, foam. I like that. Look at that. Foam Lego. It's like Roblox, guys. It's like Roblox. Or what do you call it? That game that you play? The other game. Minecraft, guys. Whoa, you can step on it too. Beehive. Got some padding here too. You coming out, big guy? Look over there. Those are smaller cars. Yeah, try it out. Try it out, guys. You can never be too big or small. There he goes. Follow, brother. Don't get lost now. You heard? Boxing, baby. Boxing. Practice your moves. Left, right with a jab. baby, box. Fight! Round one, fight!
You did it you did this before when you were a baby.
No need to be scared, baby.
I'm scared. No. Look, see? That little boy was mean to her.
Oh.
He's not doing it.
Mom went in. Come on, guys.
Guys, come on. Come on.
Go, baby. Baby. Go, go.
Hurry up or we gotta go. You have to leave. Come on, hurry up. Come on, you have to go. Then we're gonna go bye-bye. Come on. Hurry up. Come on, I'm right here.
Operational rules for safety. All right, guys. You made it. It's time to climb up the obstacle course. Up the wall. Come on, baby. Yeah! Brother's back.
Sister went in there looking for you.
Gotta find Sissy. What is this? The Safari Experience. Enter if you dare. This is lion country, apparently. Wow. I remember this. Ivory Poacher's $10,000 reward. There's the lion's tail. Well, I see you in the car, big guy. All right, looks like that's the game room right over there. They got bumper cars. Oh, we gotta get tickets apparently for that. And wow, I take it you need tickets for the game room too. This is awesome. So I think they took off all the games. No, yeah, you have to pay because yeah, for them to unlock the boxes here. Oh, bathrooms over there. Look at those. Nice, huh? Bumper cars. What's this? The shooting room. You have to pay extra for the cannon room here. Check it out, big guy. Go. Go, guys, go.
I don't have this at home.
Whoa. How do you do this? Oh, put a cannonball in there. Whoa! ball right there, baby. Yeah.
There's a ball already in there.
You got to. Oh, see, he almost hit us. There you go. Watch this. Yeah, go. There you go. Watch. Boom. Whoa. And boom. Whoa. Ready, fire, boom! Ready, kapow! I got hit! You got me, big guy! Ready, boom! Ready, fire! I got 2 balls now! Whoa, I almost got hit! Boom! Boom! I got 4 balls! Boom! 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 Ah! Okay, looks like I got a net here too. Go! I gotta catch him. Whoa, I almost got it. Boom! Boom! Oh! Boom! All right, guys, shoot it! Shoot it! Ah! You got me, big guy! Cannonball blaster! All right, bumper cars. You ready, guys? Moonbounce? Oh, there it is. Bumper car tickets sold separately at the front desk. Sold instead of 3. 1 ticket per ride per child. 3 minutes per ride. 3 to 5 feet tall requirement. Rules and regulations for the bumper cars. Even have a height chart here. Okay. All right, guys. Get him! Get her! You got it! You're doing it! Get him! No! All right, guys, great job. All right, 5 minutes, guys. We got 5 minutes till we expire. All right, we're on the other side of the indoor park here. Looks like this is a Tiki inspired obstacle course. It's called Tiki Island. Wow. They even got their own like electronic promo screen here. All right. Max height 55 on this part of the playground. I think it's called Jungle. Big guy. Oh, here we go. He got mirrors here, funhouse mirrors. The pig. All right. Sissy has to go to the bathroom. Yep, we only have 1 minute left anyways. All right, time to get our shoes. It was grand. Wow, they even have, oh, this is the Lego area. It's closed. Temporarily, I would assume. Look at that. They got a Connect 4 thing over there. All right. Time to get our shoes. Regroup, resupply.
That was fun.
It's a good break. Time to get back on the road. We're on tour. Super fun. All right, you heard him. The park is now closed for cleaning. All right. That was definitely fun, guys. Till next time. You had a good workout, big guy? Oh, this way. For the bathrooms.
Get some sanitizer on your.
They got sanitizing stations right there. All right. Till next time.